In this video, I'd like to show you guys how you can make your website look a little bit more visually appealing. There's a couple things you can do that I'd like to cover. The first thing I want to cover is that you can enter a site name up here. Since this is a website for my school physical education class, I'm going to type in OPE Physical Education. Then I'm going to add a logo. Since it's for my school, I'm going to upload my school logo, which I know is in my Google Drive. So I'm going to click Upload, and search for it, Bulldog, and go ahead and select it. Once you do that, it will be uploaded to the upper left corner. Now we have our school logo. Another feature I'd like to show you guys is that you can change the background image of your banner. So I'm going to click Change Image. You can either go to your Google Drive or go to Select Image. So I'm going to click Select Image. I'm going to go to My Album because I have the photo that I like in the background. I'm going to choose this photo because it's of my son and it's of a sport. So we're going to click on that. We're going to select it. Now we have it as our backdrop. One last thing I'd like to show you is that there are different themes that you can select. A theme will adjust the font and the image display right here. So we're going to click on Diplomat. If you want to add a filter to it, you can click on different filters. If you want to be more direct with what color you're choosing, you can go here. I'm going to go ahead and have a little bit of a hazy look. Again, if you'd like to preview what everything's looking like, you can click the eye right here. And it will show you what it looks on a computer, tablet, and on a cell phone. If there's something you didn't like to do, you can go back. I'm going to take the haze off because I actually like it like this more. If you'd like to change the look of your banner, you can press Header Type. You can do a title only, which takes away the image. Go back to that banner, or make a larger banner. I prefer the banner, so I'm going to go to that. And that is how you change and upgrade your images on your Google Sites.